In this lesson, we're going to discuss the shared security model used in cloud computing. The shared security model is an essential component of cloud computing. It involves a division of responsibilities between the cloud service provider and the organization utilizing the cloud. This model was introduced in lesson 1 of most cloud computing courses, and it's a vital concept to understand for effective and secure use of cloud services. In the shared security model, the cloud service provider takes responsibility for the infrastructure within its data centers, while the customer is responsible for the security of their data, applications, and systems. Cloud service providers such as Amazon Web Services, or AWS, carefully outline their responsibilities and those of their customers to ensure that the security gaps are minimized. By defining responsibilities, customers and providers can develop a shared understanding of security risks, controls, and best practices. AWS, for instance, is responsible for the security of the cloud, and this includes the infrastructure, hardware, software, and networking components that make up its cloud computing services. They implement a robust security framework that is continually updated and improved to address new threats and vulnerabilities. On the other hand, customers are responsible for security in the cloud, meaning that they're responsible for their own applications, data, and configurations within the cloud environment. Customers are also responsible for implementing their own security controls, such as access management, data encryption, network security, and compliance monitoring. As such, it is essential for customers to ensure that their security practices are up to par with regular testing, updates, and monitoring. One significant benefit of shared security model is that it enables customers to customize their security controls based on their unique needs and risk. For example, financial institutions that process sensitive data may have different security requirements than a startup that manages public data. By taking responsibility for security in the cloud, customers have more control over their security posture, and they can develop security controls that align with their specific business challenges. Moreover, the shared security model helps organizations leverage the cloud service providers' security capabilities while maintaining their security posture. For instance, cloud service providers can provide security features such as encryption, access control, and security monitoring tools to customers as part of their cloud services. Customers can then build on those features to enhance their security controls further. The outcome is a more secure cloud environment that is tailored to the organization's specific security requirements. However, while the shared security model provides many benefits, it also requires customers understand the risk and their specific security responsibilities. It is critical to carefully review the terms and conditions of the cloud service contract to ensure that both parties understand their responsibilities and that they are very clear. Customers must also monitor and assess their security posture regularly just to make sure that they detect and mitigate any potential risk. So, to wrap things up, the shared security model is a vital concept in cloud computing. It provides a framework for dividing responsibilities between the cloud service provider and the customer to ensure a more secure cloud environment. By understanding their security responsibilities, customers can take advantage of the cloud provider's security capabilities while maintaining their own security posture. Overall, the shared security model is a critical element in a secure and effective cloud computing strategy.